I'm Chef Chris here at Beacon Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest steamed mussel recipes you'll ever see. We're going to use extra virgin olive oil, butter, fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, basil, saffron, shallot, garlic, white wine, and some crusty bread for dipping. And of course, the star of the show, the mussels. First, we're gonna start off by chopping our garlic. 4 cloves should be enough. Oh my gosh. That garlic's going everywhere. Just a rough chop is all you need. Next, we'll add our olive oil to the pot. Let it heat for 10 to 15 seconds. Then add your shallots and your garlic. Careful not to let them burn. Stir them frequently. And add a little more oil if necessary. Next, we'll add our mussels, herbs, saffron, and our white wine. Season with salt and pepper. Then cover. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the mussels start to pop. Uncover the lid and add the butter. Cover and continue to cook for another 1.5 minutes. When the butter's melted, you're ready to go. These mussels are super easy to plate. Just dump and go. Last, we'll add our crusty bread for dipping. You don't want to waste any of that precious juice that's in the bottom of the pan. And there you have steamed mussels in under 10 minutes.